Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh network to improve your home internet coverage and speed, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your system running. Step 1. Unbox your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router and place it near your modem in a central location for optimal coverage. Step 2. Connect the router to your modem using the Ethernet cable provided in the box. Step 3. Plug the Nest Wi-Fi Pro router into a power outlet and wait for the LED light to start pulsing white. Step 4. Download and open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 5. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner and select Set up device, then choose New device. Step 6. Scan the QR code located on the bottom of your Nest Wi-Fi Pro router using your phone's camera. Step 7. Follow the prompts to create a name for your Wi-Fi network and set a strong password. Step 8. Wait for the setup to complete. The LED light will turn solid when your network is ready. You can now add additional Nest Wi-Fi points to extend coverage throughout your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.